Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ranga here, and in this video I will tell you guys how to remove Linux from a dual boot where you have set up Linux and Windows dual boot side by side. So guys, this is an easy process, but do not make any mistake while doing this process because it will end up breaking your system. So make sure to watch this video to the end, and if you like this video, hit on that like button and also consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Now guys, with that said, let's get started. So guys, here is my laptop as you can see, and now I have logged in into Windows. And guys, before actually starting the process, let me tell you one important thing. For this process, you will need a pen drive. So if you don't have one, just get some pen drive from your friends. Just borrow it from them for an hour or two, and then after doing this process, just give it back to them. Now let's actually see how to do the process. Guys, the first step is to delete all the Linux files from your system, and it can be done very easily from Windows itself guys. Just press Windows R key. If you press Windows and R together, this thing will open, and type this thing guys, disk mgmt.msc, and press enter, and now this will open. And guys, in this list you have to identify which is Linux files. Guys, it is pretty easy to identify guys. All the Windows file system will have this thing NTFS here, and Linux file systems will be empty. But guys, don't mistake everything which is empty as Linux file systems. You should know in which disk you have installed Linux. So here I know that where I have installed Linux. These two are my Linux file systems. Now I have to delete these two things, and also this partition is also my Linux file system. Now I have to delete all these three. And guys, similarly you should know which is your Linux file system. Just check it out and delete the partitions. So now guys, I am going to delete all these partitions. And it is asking me for warning. This was not created by Windows and it was created by some other operating system. Just click on yes and it will delete the partition now. It is taking some time now. And yes, it has deleted here as you can see. And also this one also just delete it like that. Yes. And also the other partition guys. How much ever you partitions you have regarding to Linux, just delete everything. Now guys, all the Linux partitions have been deleted from my computer. Now all the Linux file system would have vanished from my computer guys, but when I boot the computer again, the GRUB bootloader will come and it will not allow me to boot into, that is Windows. It will cause some problems. So to get rid of GRUB bootloader, what we have to do is we have to go here, then type create. And you will get this option, create a recovery drive. Just click on that option and you will get a box like this guys. Guys, if you want to backup, you can take it. It's not necessary. Just I am not going to take backup now. And then click on next. And then it has detected my pen drive as you can see. Now again click on next. And it is again asking some warning. Everything in your pen drive will be deleted. So just make sure that you have backed up all important files and now click on next. And then now as you can see, it is creating the recovery drive. So guys, now it says the recovery drive is ready and here is the option. Just click finish. And now guys, we have to restart the computer. And when we restart it guys, we should enter into the setup menu. In my computer, F12 is the key to enter into the setup menu. It depends on which model and which brand you use. Just go and search your model number in internet and you will find which key is used to enter the setup menu in your computer. Now let's actually wait for it to start up. So guys, now as you can see, it is entering into the one-time boot menu here. And here we are actually having some options. Still as you can see, Ubuntu is there, though we have deleted all the files. And now we are actually going to go to this pen drive. And now I'm going to click enter. and it will actually open the Windows installation file, guys. Now let's actually wait for it patiently. It is asking you for the language options. Just give anything of your choice and then keep going. And now you have some options here, guys. Just go to this one which says troubleshoot and then go here to the advanced options, and then here we are having some options again. Now go here to the command prompt, and now the command prompt has opened, as you can see. Now guys, in your command prompt, just type this command. Just be sure to type the command properly, guys. Don't make any mistake here. And now it is telling the operation has completed successfully. Now just close the command prompt, guys. And now guys, actually after you put that command in the command prompt, just close the command prompt, and then on the right side you will have the option which says turn off computer. After you close the command prompt, you will see the option which says turn off computer. Now just click on that option and your computer will shut down. And after your computer shuts down, guys, just press the power button again and turn on your computer. And when your computer turns on, just enter the setup menu, guys. In my computer it is F2 to enter setup menu. The earlier time when I pressed F12, it was boot menu, guys. I said setup menu there by mistake. Sorry for that, guys. Now in my computer I have pressed F2 and entered boot menu, setup menu. And in setup menu we actually have something which says advanced boot option, and above it we have something which says boot sequence. In boot sequence, guys, what you should do is you should delete this one which says Ubuntu. Sorry, you should uncheck the box which says Ubuntu, guys. Now by default this box will be checked. Now you have to just uncheck this box, and now just click on apply, click on OK, and then just exit it. Now your computer will restart, guys, and now your computer will automatically boot into Windows without any problem. Let's actually wait for that. It will take quite some time, guys. Now as you guys can see, my Windows has started and it is working perfectly normal. Yes guys, now it is working without any problem. Now that's all, guys. Once your Windows turns on, you can use it normally without any problem as usual. So guys, that's it for this video. Hope this video would have been useful and helpful for you. If you found this video useful, just hit on that like button and also consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, guys. Hope to meet you with yet another interesting video, guys. Till then, take care. Thank you. Bye bye.